Right guys, so you've just joined up to the Aftermarket Arbitrage server. In this Discord server tutorial, we're going to walk you through all of the sign up process and also make sure that you're set up on the Discord correctly so that you can make the most out of your time here. I'm going to start showing you how to secure highly demanded goods and make money. Right guys, so I'm going to take you through the entire sign up process and start exactly as you just have. Now I'm going to choose the Amazon plus the standard reseller plan because I want to be able to take advantage of everything that Aftermarket Arbitrage has to offer. So I'm going to click authorize now. And here we go. So now you're on your membership dashboard. So what you want to do from here is click add roles and join channel. This will add you to our Discord server. Okay, so that should be added right now. And then also whilst we're on the topic, in your membership dashboard, you can also choose whether you want to switch payment plan and choose a different package. So for example, if I wanted to go from the Amazon seller also has the standard plan, I could switch to just Amazon only or just standard depending on my experience. So now we're in the Aftermarket Arbitrage Discord, so I'm going to click the logo on the top left right here. As you come in, you can see I've already got access to all of the Amazon information. So as soon as you join, you're going to get all of the Amazon information immediately if you have signed up to an Amazon package. If you haven't, what you want to do is go to entry. You're then going to read the message and please abide by all of the rules. And then once you've agreed to the terms, you're then going to click the tick. And then this is going to unlock a lot more channels for you. The next thing that I want you guys to look at is the welcome channel. So here you're going to see a few steps. Read each step carefully. As you can see, we've got the open a ticket channel. This is where you've got your one-to-one support system if you've got any issues when navigating through this journey. Now we've read through welcome, we're going to go across to the guides. Now there's a lot of guides here and it might seem a little bit overwhelming at first, but don't worry, you can work through these at your own pace. If you've already had the redacted version of the Aftermarket Arbitrage ebook, you can then get the full version here. And then you can download that and read through that before starting. There's going to be a lot of stuff in there about botting and stuff like servers, proxies. You don't need to do that. 95% of our members don't touch bots at all, but it's just in there in case you want to have a look at it. Now, the rest of the guides, such as the raffle guides or the PayPal buying and selling guides, these are all here and you can use them as and when you need them. So if you're looking to maximize your win rate with Raffles, you can then look at this guide. Or if you're ready to sell an item and you're going to use PayPal, you can do that here. Or if you're selling on eBay for the first time, we've got a tips and tricks guide right here too. So work on those as and when you need. We've also got the eBay masterclass here. This is really, really useful and you should definitely take the time to watch this when you can, as it'll maximize your eBay listings and allow you to make the most profit possible. Also, I'd just like to add, if you're already an experienced reseller, you're not going to have to look at these guides. A lot of these are directed at newcomers because we want to make sure that everyone is on a level playing field when in an aftermarket arbitrage. And when you are reading through them, if there's any issues whatsoever, please remember to visit this channel, open a ticket. You open a ticket, you then go to general support, and then you would be able to chat one-to-one with one of our staff members. The next most important thing that you do whilst you're at Aftermarket Arbitrage is to go to React for roles. And this is going to allow you to tell your experience when you're with us. For example, if I'm coming into the server and I'm interested in online flips, electronics, or Pokemon, I just react with the corresponding number. So you can see 7 here for Pokemon. I'm going to click 7. And now what you're going to see that do is now the Pokemon channel has opened up. Okay, and then if I click off, that will disappear. So this whole experience in the Discord is completely customizable to your preferences. So we want to make sure that you've only got the necessary channels here and so that your Discord is not too clogged. For the purpose of the video, I'm going to react to everything so we can give you a full breakdown and unlock absolutely everything in the server so you guys can see exactly what we've got to offer. Now, you'll see that's opened up a lot of channels. Don't be overwhelmed. Trust me, 95% of people, when they come on this platform, even me myself, I hated it first. Stick with it, spend 30 minutes browsing through, learning how to navigate the Discord, rewatch this video if you need to, and we'll make sure that you are set and ready to go to start making money. Now I'm on the chat channel. What I'm going to do is show you exactly how to mute your notifications. So we're going to do a right click and you're going to see mute channel if you want to completely turn it off, or you can go to notification settings and then you can choose what sort of notifications you want to receive. So all messages would be absolutely everything. Only at mentions would mean if someone sends a message in this with your corresponding role. So let's say if they sent at Pokemon and you'd already reacted to that, you'd get that notification. Or if they added your user profile, meaning your name, you'll then get a notification. So I like to have it like that. And then what you want to do is work through the rest of the channels and make sure that you aren't receiving any spam. We only want you to receive useful notifications to your phone or laptop. Right, so right now, I'm joining as you are, I'm a newcomer. Where's the first place I'm going to go? The Newcomers Chat. Now you're going to see messages from our staff here. This is going to be DJ, who's our staff member that takes care of all newcomers. So any questions that you've got, please don't feel afraid to drop him a message. These are just basically reminder messages to ensure that you've already set yourself up correctly. But if you've watched this video, I know that you already have. If you want to get started and you don't feel like jumping into the main chat straight away, the Newcomers Chat is a great place to start asking basic questions. For example, here you can see first day on the job, have no idea what I'm doing but keen to learn. Our members of staff are on hand at all times to support them. Alright, so now we're in the Newcomers Chat, but I'm going to show you the rest of the chat channels that we have available at Aftermarket Arbitrage. So for Amazon members, we've got an Amazon chat. This is solely focused around Amazon reselling. You can ask any questions that you want in here. We also have a questions channel for any sort of specific questions that you've got, and either a member of the community or a staff member will get back to you. So down here in the community category, we've got the general chat channel. And this is where everyone talks about anything and everything. We don't have this sort of centralized around any sort of flips. It's just general conversation. And we really do encourage people to sort of contribute and get involved. Our community engagement is something that we're very proud of, and we want you to be able to learn from all of the other members. Getting involved in the chat is the best way to do so, because all of our members pretty much started in the exact same position as you. So if you feel out of depth, don't be afraid to start asking questions. We've then got the flips chat here. This is normally more centralized around flips and some of the items that you'll see pop up in our flips channels. So take a look in here if you're ever in doubt. We've then got questions and answers for any other questions that you've got. Normally members of the community answer these questions, but if you have anything specific, remember you've got that support ticket system where you can open a one-to-one chat with our staff and we'll get you sorted. Okay, so now I'm going to run you through every single category that we've got. This might seem like a bit of a lengthy task because I've reacted to every single role that's available in Aftermarket, so I've opened up every single option available. So as we started, you've got the getting started category here, we've already been through this, and the newcomers. Now you've got the important category here. I recommend having your notifications on for announcements. Normally member important's a good one to have on too. Now with the announcements channel, these are normally updates from the team, reminders, and any important information that we think you need to know about. Member important, these are links and information provided directly by members. You should always take note of this because a lot of the time our members also find stuff and contribute to the community. We also have our referral scheme here because why wouldn't you want to be making money alongside your reselling by referring your friends into the team? So for every person that you refer, they get £5 off the first month and you get £10. If you want to know how to do this, open up a ticket with the team and we'll get that sorted for you. So then working down through the rest of the categories, we've got Amazon important. This is pretty similar to the other section, the other important section, but this is only related to Amazon. All the information here is stuff that you should take seriously and you should look through when starting up your Amazon journey if you haven't already. We've then got the Amazon community, again, Amazon announcements, chat, questions, and Amazon success. We have the leads here in the Amazon admin leads category. So this is where our staff post all of our information for you to take advantage of so you can start making money. The community category, as it suggests, and we've already been through, has the chats and question and answers. Next, we have profit and success. So this is where members put all of their success from being in the group. It's really important that when you're in here to not talk, only post your success. Don't ask questions in here, they won't get answered and they'll be deleted. We then have payout success next. So this is where members are showing off how much money they've made from reselling our products. As you can see here, 12 consoles gone, £1 fees on eBay, profit 1,320. Let's get you started. Next, we're on flips. So right here, you can see a range of the flips that we have. So we've got the flips resale index. This pretty much covers everything that we monitor product-wise in Aftermarket Arbitrage, and it gives you some price guides. So you know, if you pay, for example, for this graphics card here, the 3060, the retail is £369, it resells for £699, and you should expect to get £330 of profit per unit. We then have Lego, low-key flips. These are flips that are found in store and normally can be sold on eBay, and the ones that not a lot of people know about. Online flips, products that you can order online. So we've got the Barbie doll here, retailing at £94.99, and then you can sell it for £349.99. It's £200 profit. We've got the consoles and GPU channels here. Now, I'd also recommend having your notifications on here, because these are important for those that are looking to get their hands on some of the hottest pieces of tech. So the flips monitors, these are our restock monitors, and these are basically pieces of software that we put on the website, and the moment a product comes in stock, it sends you an alert so you can act on that and make a purchase. For example, here, Game has restocked the Batman Flow Pack 10-pack bundle at £49.90. The status is in stock, which means the moment that this was restocked, the product was available, you could click the hyperlink, go ahead and purchase a product. Freebies and Deals is the next category. With this category, we like to have any sort of steals, anything that's a nice little deal, we'll post it for you. And we also show you here how to get free items on Amazon, which is something that a lot of people don't know about. Next, for all our sneakerheads, we've got sneaker releases. So this covers everything that you need to know in terms of sneakers, and you can work your way through these channels. It's quite self-explanatory. As we get to the bottom here, you can see our release guides. So it's important to take a look at these every week if you're interested in sneakers. If you've reacted to the sneakers and clothing roll, you will get an alert when these are posted, but these tell you everything you need to know. So right here, we've got a pair of New Balance. The best sizes to buy, a size is 4 to 6, and it tells you the retail here is £100, the resale here is £130 and £135, so you can make some nice little profits. And we've got the exact same for Dunks here. We then also have our sneakers category. This is just for sneaker related chat and sneaker related announcements. We've then got Soul Retriever raffles. So what these are all of the raffles that are available in the EU. So when you see a sneaker guide, like a shoe, come up here, you then want to go down to these channels and start entering the raffles for that corresponding shoe. It's really, really important to take some time to enter raffles. Now, we've also got a bit of a miscellaneous category here. So accountancy and tax, discount codes, eBay engagements, reviews, marketplace. There's lots of bits and bobs in here that you can have a browse through at your own leisure. We then have the Aftermarket Arbitrage tool suite. For example, we have the keyword pinger. How this works is members are able to set up notifications for certain keywords. So let's say you wanted to be alerted to PS5 restocks, you can follow the instructions, then every time the word PS5 is mentioned in the server, you'll get a notification. Pokemon comes up next, sports cards, and then legit checks for anyone who has shoes and aren't sure if they're authentic. We can get that verified for you. We have bot support here for those that are sneaker botters. Moving on to these channels, these categories which are a bit more important, we have Nike. So we have some very good Nike back-end monitors that you should spend some time to look through. You can read the guides here and watch this one to understand exactly how to get set up for this. Now, for sneaker restocks, we've got all of the channels you'll need here for pretty much every store that is worth monitoring. A lot of these channels you can turn all the notifications off for, because it's not always useful to have these. They'll send a lot of spam, and if you've not got a bot, you're not going to need it. But channels like Offspring and Office, you can cop trainers on here manually, so it's worth having notifications on for a channel like this. So now the last thing I wanted to touch on is like a pretty unique feature to Aftermarket. We have the giveaways channel, and with this, every Friday we give away a range of prizes. So here we've got 2 months at 50% off membership. We've got other giveaways for free food, your next month free. Sometimes we give away free cash. It's important to get involved in these, take advantage of them, earn some extra money, and try and get your next month's membership on the house. So now we've run through the categories in a very basic form. If you want to learn more about each specific category, such as Amazon or sneakers or online flips, anything in particular, we've got a whole range of other videos on our YouTube that breaks these down section by section so you can learn exactly how to use them and exactly how to make money. So now we've finished that basic Discord server tutorial. I'm confident that you're going to be set up and ready to go. But remember, if you've got any questions whatsoever, if they're complex or simple, please don't hesitate to use our Open a Ticket channel. You can speak to a member of staff directly there, one-to-one, and ask anything that you want. Finally, welcome to the team, and I can't wait to see you start making money.